So Kelly, what did you think about tonight's event?
I think it was amazing. I'm excited. I'm on fire. I can't believe that there's somebody that's listening to the message that I've been preaching for a while, and that is get everybody together. It's not all about one race, one section, one sector. We've all got to come together, and we have to make a difference. The only way to do it is to get out, to connect with each other, and to reach people in the community. And by staying in our own churches, our own neighborhoods, and our own us, it's not going to get the word out, and it's not going to help crime. And something that Bishop said, he touched on something that was very key. A lot of people don't get involved until it involves them. It's better to be proactive in the community than reactive. So I'm excited.
When you see the people around today's table, what do you see the diversity? What that tells you in Jacksonville?
That we're a melting pot.
We are a melting pot.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Pickens.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm here with attorney Stephen A. Smith. What did you think of tonight's event, Stop the Violence?
It was awesome. It was a great event. It was definitely powerful, particularly the message from Rabbi Lee.
Good evening. Tonight we're here at the 5th annual Stop the Violence event, and I'm here to interview Robert. Robert, can you tell me a little bit about yourself and your involvement with this event?
I sit on the board with Bishop Hall. It's really about him and what he does for the community. Stop the Violence, we focus on stopping the crime locally here in Jacksonville with different local politicians, city council members.